Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 19th of December, Thursday, and today was another fun day in the markets. Basically had a little bit of a gap down here, sideways action, a little bit of a lower move, and then we got a higher move and back into where we started the day at. Today we had one trade and we pulled 3 points out of the markets. Basically got long over here and we were able to ride that up and take some profits up here, and then kind of just watch things, and we went ahead and shut down the room a little bit early here. Of course it did buy up a little bit more, but very sideways into lunchtime. And sometimes days like that happen, especially around Christmas time. The volume's going to drop off and it is going to be a little more choppy than say not around Christmas time, because next week is Christmas here in the US, and it does affect trading, since the ES is traded out of Chicago and then electronically around the world. So our holidays are going to affect the market a little bit, and it has been a little bit choppy lately, but what I try to do is watch the market and then take setups that I think are of a higher probability, and from there we can definitely get some good trades. And it's all about just basically waiting and then pouncing when you see a trade. And that's definitely my philosophy of trading. I try to wait on trades, and once I see them, I jump on them. And that's what we did today. We were able to jump on a trade and then take some profit. It did come back down, did buy up a little bit more, but it's it is what it is. Sometimes I see trades that I don't take just because I don't feel that they are of a high probability. Sometimes they work out, most of the time they don't. And some of it is screen time. I do get that question a lot, about intuition, screen time, and that goes with anything you do. You're driving down the road and you kind of like forget where you're at, you're in deep thought or something, and all of a sudden you arrive at your destination because you drive that way a lot. Usually it's to work, or you have a friend that you go to their house a lot. Usually it's something like that, a route that you travel a lot, and your unconscious brain takes over and just drives for you. And it's the same thing with trading, or playing checkers or chess, or whatever that you do a lot of. And it's something that you build. It's something that obviously takes time, but it's something that you build. And basically you're doing what you used to do consciously, you're doing it unconsciously now. So you're not exactly aware of it, but it's still happening. And that's just is something that you develop with anything in life. It's not just trading. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. I do get questions about that, and that's how I answer that. Usually I do go a little bit more in depth, but for a video, I'm going to basically lay it out as basic as I can. So hopefully that made a little bit of sense. You got something out of what I was talking about. You can always leave comments below the video. There's no such thing as a dumb question or a stupid comment. If you have a question, definitely ask. I was once a new trader, and some people might have thought my questions were a little dumb or rudimentary or whatever, but that's how we learn as people, is asking questions. So anyway, with that, thanks a lot for watching the video. Have an excellent day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.